Welcome to another video from BMC YouTube channel. This video covers the checklist to upgrade Smart IT using D2P package. Here's a quick checklist of items to review before you perform a Smart IT D2P package deployment. So let's go to the AR server VM. From your AR system conf directory, open the armonitor.cfg file. Only one AR file deployer plugin process entry should exist in this file, and that should refer to the correct jar file version. Under the same conf directory, open the ar.cfg file. Only one server plugin alias entry should exist for the arsys.arf.ar migrate plugin, and it should point to the correct server connect name and the port number. Next is the plugin svr_config.xml file. So under your AR system plugin svr directory, search for the plugin svr_config.xml file. Open this file and search for the arsys.arf.ar migrate plugin entry. Please make sure that only one entry of this AR migrate plugin should exist in this file along with all the required path elements. Also, please verify that all these jar files are present at these defined locations. For instance, under this location, we should be able to find AR migrate 91 build 9 jar. Next thing to verify is the plugin server and Tomcat server heap sizes. To avoid any performance issues or Java out of memory issues during the package deployment, ensure that you have sufficient heap sizes. For plugin server, open the armonitor.cfg file. Here, the main AR Java plugin server process should have the heap size between 2 GB to 4 GB. Like here we have set it to 3 GB. And your mid-tier's Tomcat server should have sufficient Java heap size to process the D2P package. So go under your mid-tier Tomcat's bin directory and open the tomcat w.exe file. Under Java tab, set the minimum and maximum heap sizes between 2 to 4 GB. Like here we have set minimum to 2 GB and maximum to 4 GB. Next on the list is the AR system monitor form. For that, log in into your mid-tier and open AR system monitor form. Perform a blank search on it. Please make sure that only one entry with correct host name for each monitor type, like AR server, mid-tier, and Smart IT, should exist on this form. For Smart IT component entries, ensure that there are no duplicate or incorrect host entries in it. If so, those needs to be deleted. Here, ranking of each monitor type determines the order in which these will be deployed. So AR server always starts with rank 1, followed by mid-tier at rank 2, and then it would be Smart IT at rank 3. Now let's go to the Smart IT server for rest of the configuration. First to check is your Java home environment variable. For that, go to your system's property and under environment variables, ensure that your Java home environment variable is set with a valid JRE path. Next to verify is the monitor Smart IT GUID.properties file. Go to your Smart IT file deployer location and open the file monitor Smart IT GUID.properties. Please note that your Smart IT's monitor ID present on AR system monitor form should match with the GUID present in the monitor Smart IT GUID.properties file. If these two GUID does not match, then deployment will not detect the host name of the server. So in order to correct that issue, you'll need to recreate a new GUID. For that, delete the monitor Smart IT GUID.properties file. Delete the specific Smart IT entry from the AR system monitor form. Followed by the restart of Smart IT file deployer services. This will recreate the monitor Smart IT GUID.properties file with a new GUID ID. and a new record for Smart IT monitor type will get created on the AR system monitor form, which will have the same monitor ID that matches with the GUID present in the properties file. In the same directory location that is under File Deployer, open the deploy config.properties file. The file deployer local deployment required parameter in this file should be set to false for automatic restart of services, because if it is set to true, it would require manual intervention in restarting the services, that is your AR payload deployment util batch file. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.